Hi everyone, we're back with our shared reading, Electricity from the Sun. Our standard is analyzing text elements, and our skill is describe text connections. So I'm going to go back and reread the story, but before I do, let's see what is asked of us. So number 1 says to complete the multiple effects chart on page 176 to tell about the effects of using solar panels. And then the second question we have here, or question number 2 says, which detail from the passage best shows why people might save money if they have solar panels on their house? A, one device people use to produce solar power is a solar panel. B, solar panels might even produce all the electric power a family needs. C, solar power plants put together many solar arrays. Or D, solar energy is also reliable. Here's the next question to think about while you listen to the story again. In which paragraph does the author contrast solar energy with other types of energy? So contrast means they're talking about how it's different from other types of energy. And the answers could be paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 5, or paragraph 6. Here is the multiple effects chart. You'll be thinking of a cause and then the several effects that happen from this one cause. Electricity from the sun. The sun has always been a source of energy for people. Back in ancient times, people learned how to work with sunlight. For example, they used mirrors to focus sunlight and give off heat. Today, people can turn sunlight or solar energy into electricity. Then it is called solar power. One device people use to produce solar power is a solar panel. What are solar panels? Have you ever seen a lot of big shiny rectangles on a rooftop? Those are solar panels. They are officially known as photovoltaic or PV solar panels. The root photo means light. Voltaic refers to electricity. PV solar panels are made up of solar cells. One solar cell can produce a little bit of power out of sunlight, but one solar panel can produce much more power. Solar panels can produce a lot of electricity for a home or business. They might even produce all the electric power a family needs. That can help people save money. What happens when you put many solar panels together? They form what is called a solar array. Solar power plants put together many solar arrays. They can make electricity for thousands of homes. What are the benefits of solar energy? Some types of energy cause pollution. Other types of energy rely on chemicals that can be dangerous if they leak into the air or water. Solar energy is natural. It does not pollute the air. Solar energy is also reliable. Solar panels continue to work even on cloudy days. They just don't take in as much energy. Electricity from solar energy is also stored. A home only uses what it needs and can draw on the storage when necessary. In big storms, electric companies often experience outages. Poles and wires may go down. Some people may not have electricity for days or longer, but people who have solar panels may still be able to have electricity. Because of this, some towns have installed solar panels on their electric poles. Okay, so we're going to be talking about the cause being using solar panels. This is a multiple effects chart. So since people are using solar panels, what are some of the effects that happen because of that? One of the effects can be that solar panels can create electricity for homes and businesses. So because of using this panel, this is the cause, what happens is solar panels create this electricity. Another effect can be that people save money on the cost of electricity. And then another effect of using solar panels is the air stays cleaner because solar energy does not pollute the air. And then a final effect, or another final effect could be people still have electricity even when there is a power outage, which is kind of cool. All All right, the next part says, which detail from the passage best shows why people might save money if they have solar panels on their house? So they want to know which detail from the story shows this. One device people use to produce solar power is a solar panel. Does that talk specifically about why people save money? Or is it solar panels might even produce all the electric power a family needs? Or is it solar power plants put together many solar arrays? Or is it solar energy is also reliable? So we're talking about why people save money. And it's because this one panel, the solar panel, may produce enough electricity for the whole family. This one here says, in which paragraph does the author contrast solar energy from other types? And that means what paragraph do they talk about how they're different? I remember that being towards the end somewhere. And so it was paragraph 6. And in paragraph 6, what it said was, some types of energy cause pollution. Other types of energy rely on chemicals that can be dangerous if they leak into the air or water. Solar energy is natural. It does not pollute the air. So there's the proof that, that 6 was talking about that.